Hello friends, let's make our way to all fours. When you arrive there, stack your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hip points. For this pose, we're going to want to do our best to keep our knee underneath our hip points and to press into the tops of our feet. Okay, let's begin to walk our hands out in front of us towards the top edge of your mat. And how far you get really depends on our anatomy, as in the length of our arms. Breathe in. And on your next exhale, begin to melt your chest and your forehead towards the earth or even on the earth, and rock your tailbone up towards the sky. And you can stay here and breathe here. If the forehead is not reaching the earth, no worries, because you can use a yoga block or even a folded up blanket to rest your forehead on. So we're really raising the earth up to meet our body. If this feels too narrow of a stance with the hands, feel free to widen them, so bring them to the long edges of your mat. Breathe here, really reaching that tailbone up towards the sky and pressing into the tops of our feet. Perhaps you're feeling some tension washing away. Perhaps you're getting a little bit of a release in the upper back. Perhaps you use this time to notice any areas in which you may be gripping or holding, like in the jaw, the fingers, the toes. We're here for 3 more breath cycles, so just make the most of it. Awesome. Rise on up, walk your hands back in, swing your legs off to one side, any side, and come back to a cross-legged position. So return to this video, favorite it, especially if you suffer from, upper back discomfort, or you're just looking for a general nice release in the upper back. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. Bye for now.